content 5. So what we are specifying here, content of that memory location 2000 should be transferred to R1. This is the first notation. So R1 will become R1 will become
5, ma'am.
5. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are telling it here, tell me. Content of the memory location LOC should be transferred to R1. Suppose LOC, I am assuming it at 2000. Content, see, I am giving an example for you to understand, that's all. Suppose LOC is 2000, content of the 2000 is 5. So the 5 will be moved to the R1. Okay. Now processor R3 equal to R1 plus R2. That means we are adding the content of R1 and R2 and placing it in R3. Now tell me. Now can you give me any example? Can you give me any example for this? Tell me. Tell me, ma. Suppose R1 equal to R1 equal to 6. R2 equal to 3. R3 equal to R1 plus R2. That means what? R1 and R2 we are adding it, and the content, since it's a content, you have to specify within the square bracket. Remember this always. Now tell me what is happening. What is the content of R1 we have specified?
6, ma'am.
What is the content of R2?
3.
So R1 plus R2, 6 plus 3 will be added 9. 9 will get transferred to R3. That is the second thing. So within the register transfer notation only you have to specify with respect to memory, with respect to processor register, with respect to input output register. Everything you should do. Okay. Now input output register, you tell me. Data in into R1. That means content of input output register data in. There are data in and data out only for the input output register. Remember, only data in and data out. So content of input output register data in will be transferred to the R1. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the three types of transfer? Three types of transfer available?
Memory location, processor, and input output registers.
That's all. Okay. And you have to give an example for this. Next, this is a register transfer notation. Now we are going for assembly language notation. Assembly language notation. So up to this we saw for the movement with respect to register notation is we usually put arrow mark this side. But in the assembly language notation, you should not put arrow mark. See there how it is coming there. Move LOC, comma R1. Like this you should specify in assembly language notation. What we saw before is register transfer notation. Now assembly language notation. Move LOC comma R1. That means what? Hello?
Shift the contents from memory location to
Yeah, like this it should represent here. First the content, where is the destination R1? The content of the memory location LOC will be transferred to R1. Next add R1, R2, R3. That is, we are adding the content of R1 and R2, placing their sum into the register R3. That's all. Same thing we are representing into assembly language notation. That's all. Take down this one first. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
Why is today less strength? Take down this, okay?
Okay.
Teach ಮಾಡ್ತಾ After you finish, you let me know. Finished? Finished or not?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Over. Over or not?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Everybody finished? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. It's done, ma'am.
So this is a register notation and this is a assembly language notation. Now some basic instruction types we are going to see. There are various instruction type. See what and all things we have seen up to this. First is register transfer notation and assembly language notation. Now we are coming for basic instruction type. So three address instruction. Three address instruction means you can specify the operands, three operands at the time. That is called three address instruction. So what is the syntax of that? Opcode, source man, comma source to, comma destination. That is nothing but add A, comma B, comma C. That means what it will happen? It adds the content of location A and B and store it in the result in the C location. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is telling?
It will add the contents of A and B and store the result in C.
What is A and B?
Operand, ma'am.
That's what ma operand character. What
Memory
it is
locations, ma'am.
very good. So content of the memory location A, content of the memory location B will be added and the result will be saved in the C. Understood? Can I give one example for this?
Yes, ma'am.
So add same thing we are assuming A comma B comma C. Okay. So we are assuming here we are assuming memory location. Now tell me. So what is happening? In the A, what is the content is there?
5.
5, ma'am.
In
5.
the B, what is the content?
10.
10.
So 10 plus 5 will get added and 15. 15 will be saved in the memory location.
C.
Ma'am.
And this it will work. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a, everybody got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
This is a 3 instruction type. Now, two address instruction. Now do that. 2 address. These are all type of instruction. Remember, they'll ask this one with the tabular column. Neatly you explain with an example. 2 address instruction. Tell me. Opcode source comma destination. That's all. So add A comma B. Add A comma B. So add the content of memory location A and B. Then
It will
Then
be
what
stored in memory location B, ma'am.
tell me.
It will store in B, ma'am.
Here in the single step you cannot do. Okay, you need the 2 steps to do this. Okay, what we have to do first, what they are doing here, wait, you have to add the 2 location. No, so what I will do, add A comma B, then move B comma C, like that you should do. So in the Cth memory location the content will be stored. Here what they have done, tell me. Move B comma C, add A comma C. Now tell me what they have done here. Move B comma C, add A comma C. So content of the memory location B is moved to C. Then add A comma C. So adding a content of memory location A with the C and save the result in C only. So you need the 2, for the same thing, you need the 2 instructions here. In the 3 address instruction, in the single step only we did. But in the 2 address instruction, you cannot do in the single step. You have to do in the 2 step if you want to do add A comma B comma C. Understood or not?
Ma'am, can you explain it again, ma'am?
Oh, 1 second. So now tell me what and all is there in that? Tell me.
5, 10.
Move. Tell me, move B comma C, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Move B comma C. Add A comma C. So it is like this. So move B comma C. What is a B? It is there.
10.
10. 10 will be moved into C. Add A comma C. So what is A? 5. 5 plus 10 will be added and it is saved in C. Like this. Same instruction only, but it required 2 steps here. There we in the 3 instruction type, we did in 1 step, but you cannot do it in the 2 instruction type. 2 address instruction. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Now you got it, no, everyone? Tell me, ma. Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, one address instruction. One address instruction. Load A, add B, store C. Only one operand will be there in the one address instruction. So, what is load A? Copy the content of. See, if you're not mentioning any second operand, automatically there is something called register accumulator will be assumed automatically. So what will happen? Load A, copy the content of memory location A. Since we didn't specify any other operand, only one single operand, it will put it into the accumulator. This is a one address instruction. Got it or not? If you're not specifying anything, automatically accumulator, it will take that as an accumulator. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
There is something called accumulator, like a register, one accumulator is there. It's like a register only. If you're not mentioning anything, accumulator it will assume. So it copy the content of memory location A into accumulator. Add B. Now tell me, anyone? Add B.
We should add the contents of B and the accumulator, ma'am.
Yeah, add the content of B and the accumulator and place the sum back into the accumulator. That you should tell. Okay. Now store C. Now tell me. Store C. Store
Content
C.
of accumulator into location C, ma'am.
Super. Content of the memory accumulator will be stored into the location C. These are all one address instruction. Now zero address instruction we are going to see. What is zero address instruction? No operands only. Push, pop. That and all I will explain you later. Simply you take it as an example. Push, pop, like that without any operand. What is the operation of that I will teach you later. Okay. Now what are the types of instruction anyone can explain? With this, we will wind up because first we should be confident. This is a register notation, assembly notation, and basic instruction type. Now tell me,
Ma'am, excuse
anyone
me,
can
ma'am.
explain? Tell me.
Ma'am, that once again you explain, ma'am. Two type address something.
Two address type.
Yes, ma'am.
Two address type means only two operand can be specified. I told you. See, in three address type, we can space three operand automatically. Three operand you can specify easily. You can add two numbers. Add A, comma B, comma C means it will add the content of memory location A and B and put it in the C. But in two address instruction, you cannot do like that. To do the same operation, add A, comma B, comma C, you need two movements, two instructions you need. Move B, comma C. Move B, comma C means what will happen? ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ದು.
Content of B will move to C, ma'am.
Next add A, comma C. Tell me, add A, comma C. Content of A, see, we already moved the value of B to C. Now, content of A will be added with the C. That's all.
15 plus 5, ma'am.
Huh? So, content of B is what? 10. 10 initially, 10 will be moved to the C. So, C, I'll
Okay.
place it here. C here. 10 will be moved here. Add A, comma C. What is the value of A?
5.
What is the value of C?
10.
So both will get added. Now it will become 15 C value.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Anybody can explain? So much I did, please explain. Otherwise, I will not be knowing whether I am going in the right track or not. I don't know your names. That is a problem, okay? You come voluntarily and explain. Tell me.
The contents of
No. All the type of instruction for fast you should explain. Anyone? Tell me, ma. Fast. Only 5 minutes left. Nobody understood then. Hello. Answer my question. Only basic instruction type you explain. Anybody ready to do? Hello. Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, 3 address instruction, 2 address instruction.
So I'll be
One
keeping track overall. Okay. Answering my question. I'll be keeping track. If you are being attentive, these are all marks will be counted. Be attentive and answer my questions. I'll be keeping track overall answering. Tell me, ma.
3 address instruction, 2 address instruction, 1 address instruction, and 0 address instruction. In 3 address instruction, it's like source 1, source 2, and destination. Example is add a comma b comma c, where it will add the contents of a and b and store it in c.
Very good. Then.
2 address instruction, it's only operation source and destination. So first the contents of b will be
Only
moved to
two
c.
operands you can specify at a time.
Yes, ma'am. So add a comma b. So the contents of b will be moved to c, and then it will add a and
Move
c.
B, comma C. Move B, comma C.
Yes, ma'am.
Not
Move b
add.
comma c. So the contents of b will be moved to c, and then add a and c, and the result
See,
will
did
be
you
stored in
observe
c.
same operation what we did in the 3 address instruction single line has to be done in the 2 line in the 2 address instruction. Now tell me.
And then it's 1 address instruction,
Hmm.
where there is only one operand code, like operation source and destination. And the contents of memory location A will be stored in something called accumulator. And load A store
That's
A,
what load is one which copies the content of memory location into accumulator. Then add B.
add B and store C. So the
We add B
contents of accumulator and B memory location B will be added, ma'am.
and store back into
C.
no into the accumulator itself.
Into the accumulator.
Then store C. Store C is nothing but copy the
The
content of
contents
accumulator.
of accumulator is stored in C.
See, same instruction, it requires 3 lines if it is in 1 address instruction. Now 0 address, no operands can be specified. Okay, simply push pop single address instruction. That is 0 address instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll teach you instruction execution straight line sequencing. Enough. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
How many
Thank
are
you, ma'am.
there? 20? 21. Okay. Anyone please taking in charge of daily taking a snapshot of the participant, okay? Please take in charge. Who is taking? Who is taking? This also no answer. Huh? Asha, will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the snapshot of the participants, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Daily you take in church.
Okay, ma'am. Taken, ma'am.
You keep it with you. Anytime if you ask, you send me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.